All right, hustlers. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why I choose to have a regular job and a business. And I thought this was important because I spend a lot of time and I have spent a lot of time and years right on this channel teaching you how to start your own business, particularly with Amazon. But I don't talk that much about the fact, well, I do mention that I have a regular job. I don't talk much about it. I'm a truck driver by trade. It's not that big of a deal, not much to explain. You kind of just get in a truck and you go down the road. It's not that big of a deal. Blue collar type labor. But why do I do both when you always hear people, usually on YouTube, talking about this side, right? You don't really hear too many people on YouTube talking about going to this side because this side doesn't seem as glamorous, right? This is the side where you can hear people talking that stuff about, oh, be your own boss, fire, get off the hamster wheel and all of that crap. And all of that is fine, but I don't want one. I want both. Now, what do I mean with that? Okay, so let me kind of break it down real quick what I'm talking about. So here, if we go inside of my Amazon account, you can see today is March the 23rd, the year is 2025. And so far, I've done 73,000 in sales. Of course, I don't get to keep all that. If you want to know the kind of money I keep, I got a video or two right here on the channel where I show my tax returns. Guys, if you really want to learn, how I'm doing it, you've got to go to the channel. You've got to go back a little bit. Okay. I'm going to say it again. But you look again, today is March the 23rd, the year is 2025. For the running 30 days. That means if you take today and you go back 30 days, we've done $31,367.80. And my running 30 stays above 30,000. But like I said, we're going to say it again for the people in the back. All right. If you want to learn how I do it, I have spent the better part of 8 years showing you exactly how to do it. This video is not going to do that, guys. there's only so many ways that I can explain how to do it. What I got to do is get you to watch more than 4 minutes of the video. And if you don't, I've shown and proven that I'm going to continue to make the videos anyway, but this is more to inspire you. Okay. We made plenty of videos where we roll up our sleeves, and what the YouTube audience has shown me is that that's not what they really want. That's okay. That's okay because I make them anyway. But I have gotten people saying, hey, I didn't learn anything from this video. Okay. This video is not for you to learn anything. We've done so many videos teaching you how to learn. This is about your mindset because this is what sets everything else in motion. If you don't, I have a job and a business. So I'm not going to sit up here and talk to you the way all these other YouTubers talk to you, trying to glamorize this and putting this side down, like literally talking down on this. Oh, if you're on the job side, you're a slave. Oh, you don't have your own business, and different things they do to literally degrade the working class person. I'm not about that. Hey, what's up, working class hustlers? I wanted to take a brief break from this video. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, but did you know that 58% of the people that watch this channel, watch these videos, are not subscribed to the channel? So there's a good chance that you're not subscribed. So if you would take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much. It would be awesome. And tell you what, you would be showing myself and my producer Jim that you appreciate the over 500 videos that we've put together for your benefit. So hit that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. We're actually trying to get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers, and you're going to help us do it. So thank you in advance. Number two, if you're somebody that's really trying to take your Amazon business to the next level, or you just want to get into selling on Amazon, You guys know I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. I've been using it and teaching it right here on this channel for years. And you might know that I've been wanting to put together a free video course, a real course that's worth money, but I want to give it to you for free. This is my gift to you. If you're serious and you really want a leg up and a way to understand the software that's so powerful, it has helped me double my revenue up to 30,000 plus a month. If this is something that would be interested in you, the wait is over. The link is in the description. Hustlers, don't waste time. I can't wait to see you there. Now back to the video. But like I said, I like both. I do both. I've always done both. And so let's go. I didn't put a whole bunch of stuff because I wanted to try and get through this. These are the main ones. When you look at the job side, right? What do you get? What did I like? Mainly, I like the steady pay. Now, as a truck driver, I do six figures. That's not a big deal. To be a truck driver and say you're doing six figures is very common. So for anybody that wants to get into trucking, you can expect to make a pretty good wage. You're going to work for it, but that's okay. Work is good. Work is good. A lot of these YouTubers, these gurus, are always trying to teach you that it's bad to work. It's not bad to work. So stop it with that. Okay. Benefits, very, very important. It's particularly health benefits. That's important, guys. You get a good employer. You know, for many years, I was a union trucker, paid zero for health insurance. But you know, you guys know there's videos out there. You know, back in 2023, my company went out of business. I had to find a new company. I got to pay for my own benefits now. But of course, you know, it's a group type deal and they pay me more than enough to take care of that. Another thing is retirement. You know, again, when I was union, I was putting in for my pension. Of course, I still have that because I'm already vested, but that's important because someday I will want to retire at some level. I don't think I will ever completely retire because I like being productive. I like the movement. I like having the purpose. All of this stuff is, you know, good for longevity. But at the same time, I'm going to have some hybrid form of retirement. I do want some money coming in. That way I can, you know, work less if I choose to. Okay. And when I was a union driver, this came in the form of a pension. I got lucky because of my business. I was able to take a lot of time and really find one of the best trucking jobs in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And guess what? It's non-union, and I was still able to get what you could consider a pension. The acronym is ESOP. If you ever heard of that, that would be for, so ESOP would be Employee Stock Option Program, but that's 100% funded by the company. So and you get vested after so many years. So it's very similar to a pension. What I like about the business is what you typically hear about, right? Be your own boss. Scalability. On the job side, you're only going to be able to scale up so far. On the business side, it's the sky's the limit. If you go back and you watch my videos over the years, I typically stayed around 15,000 a month. Now, here this year, you notice I've doubled that. That was my call. Over here, I couldn't just decide, all right, I'm going to double my income. Okay. Ownership. It is a good feeling and it's impactful. It means something to have something that you own. Remember, like I said, I'm not the guru that did everything right. I'm not the person talking about, hey, look at me. No. Well, actually, I am saying, look at me. I did a whole bunch of stuff wrong. And most people are not going to do that because I don't know, they're embarrassed, they're ashamed. That's not something they would want to put out there, even if it benefited others. They're more concerned with how they feel, and it doesn't feel good to say, hey, I was an idiot, I made some dumb mistakes. I'm going to tell you, I made a lot of dumb mistakes. That's okay, because we learn from our mistakes, but mistakes cost money. You got to pay, right? But back in 2023, when my company went out of business, because I had the business, I had money coming in. A lot of times, and I've been guilty of it, guys. A lot of Americans, we are 1, 2, maybe 3 paychecks from being on the street. But what happens is you could lose that job. You could lose that business. Life is a system of odds. There are no guarantees. It's a system of odds. But what you try to do is put the odds in your favor. If you want peace of mind, which both of them can give you, okay? Some may say false, but both of these, the job and the business, give me peace of mind because I've been through it. I've had my business, especially in 2013, things really started tanking, and I've been fighting for better than 10 years, fighting to get back. But when the business went down, I had a job. Then in 2023, when the job went out, put 30,000 people out of employment. Yellow Freight went out of business, if you're familiar with them. When that went out, I had the business. So that shows you I am proof there are no guarantees. Okay, there are risks on both sides, and I've had both go down on me. But what are the odds that they're both going to go down? From my experience, when one fails, the other will hang in there. Okay, you got 2 cylinders. If one cylinder fails, you got the other. You got dual engines. If one engine fails, you got the other. Now, if they both fail, you got a problem. You got a 6-cylinder engine. If one cylinder fails, chances are the other 5 are firing. You see what I'm saying? And this is why you want to have as many, I suggest you have as many revenue streams as you can, manage, right? Again, guys, I'm going to say it. I'm going to continue to say it. For those of you who actually want to do something, we got the videos. We took care of you first. We took the first 8 years to take care of you. If you want free information that you can actually apply, the first 8 years, and even today, there's my phone number. Put it on the screen, Jim. Put it on the screen. If you got a problem with this video, you didn't get enough, you can call me, right? Get your phone and call me. I take the calls for free. Hustlers, anybody out there who has talked to me, leave a comment. It may take a little bit until I get back to you because I'm not a guru. I don't make money doing this. I lose money doing this. I don't make money teaching. I make money doing, so I have to do. I'm telling you, I got a job, a full-time job, usually over 40 hours a week. That means I got to be there. I'm telling you that I have a business that's doing over $30,000 a month. Well, I got to do it. Now, I got videos that show me in action over here in the truck. I got videos over here showing you the work. And yet I still put this available for you. You have no excuse. You will not watch this video, catch your little attitude, and talk about what you didn't get. No, you're not going to do that. You're not going to do that to me. Not when I've put, me and my producer Jim, not when we've put over 500 videos out there for your benefit. Not when I put my personal phone number so that if that ain't enough, you can call. Not when I put out a free webinar to teach you about what I really do on Amazon, which is selling snack foods. Not when I have a free course that teaches you how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. Guys, we're not going to play this game. We're not going to play this. I'm doing this for you. I don't know. You tell me, what else can I do? My actions have shown you. I love you guys. I'm doing this for you. Okay. But you got to do something too now. Come on. All right. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe you've got multiple streams of income. Maybe you've got a job. You like having a business as well. And so what I'm saying resonates. Maybe you're thinking about it. I want to encourage you to do it. That's all I wanted in this video. Take advantage of all the resources down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.